So, ito yung code ko guys. Una is naglagay ako ng include iOS stream. Tapos yung class nito is string. Tapos dito naman naglagay ako ng public. Dito yung basketball string. Tapos yung player points. Tapos naglagay ako ng cout player. Tapos player has joined the game. Tapos void update score. Tapos int new points. Tapos points dito. Tapos plus equal new points. Tapos void display score. Tapos ulit, cout ulit, tapos player's total score, tapos yung points nila. Tapos class, public ulit, tapos may class cout, constructor code, tapos mag-space ka. Tapos may class ulit, tapos cout yung destructor code naman. Tapos maglagay ka ng int, tapos int tsaka main. Tapos yung may class objectives, tapos yung cout ulit. Tapos ito naman, basketball player 1, Jordan. Tapos dito, basketball player 2, Lebron. Tapos dito, yung mga update score ng mga player. Tapos maglagay ako ng cout dito, yung greatest of all time. Ayun. Tapos, paran natin. Ito, tapos enter mo. Dito naman, ito guys, yung constructor call, tapos destructor call. Dito yung player Jordan has joined the game, yung kanina, yung player has joined the game. Tapos yung total score ni Jordan is 121. Tapos yung kay Lebron, total score 118. Tapos yun dito, yung sa ilalim kanina, yung the greatest of all time. Yun lang guys. Thank you.